Hello children, in this part of video we will learn about how to check spellings and grammar in our Word document and using thesaurus. So what is checking spelling and grammar? Sometimes we type some text in our computer MS Word. So you find many times we type some wrong spellings. So how do we get to know if we have typed wrong spellings or correct? So in MS Word, Word has a built-in dictionary and a set of grammatical rules to check the spelling and grammar of the text document. So incorrectly spelled words are displayed with a single red wavy line under them. So let's see. I have typed one sentence over here. Success is not something that you run into by accident. It takes preparation and character. As you see, three places the word is coming with red underline. It shows that it has some spelling mistake. So word provide us a very simple method to correct our spelling. Simply on this word, if I click the right mouse button, you will see the suggestion of list will come. So you just choose whatever the correct word from here and just click on it. Then automatically the word gets changed in that. See, this is the another spelling which is also wrong. So for this method, for this correction, we will choose the shortcut key. So which shortcut key I'll use? F7. F7 is the key. When you press it, then you will see on the right hand side the suggestion box will come. Same as you have seen the suggestion box had come with the right mouse click. Same here it will come, and it has many options: ignore, ignore all, add. So whatever the spelling is correct, you choose that, it automatically it is highlighting, and just you say click on the change word. So you will see that change has been done here. Now it takes preparation. Again this spelling is wrong, so here I can correct it from this way also. But for this spelling correction, I'll go to the review tab. I click on the review tab and then proofing group, and then I will choose the option spelling and grammar. So as soon as I choose this dialog box, then you will see choose this option, then this dialog box will appear, same with that list of correct spellings. So whatever is suitable for this word, for this sentence here, I'll choose. Automatically it is highlighting preparation, so I'll just click on the change and the change appeared here. Okay, so this way you can make the correction. Now if you see children, here is the another sentence. There is not substitute for hard work. If you read the sentence, you will find it's not correct. So it, and one blue line is also indicating something. Yes, this blue line indicates that it has some grammatical mistake. So in our previous version of Windows, it used to come in green color underline. Now in the latest MS Word window versions, this is coming in blue wavy line. In your book it is written green wavy line, but in an old version it used to be in green only. Now it's blue. So let us, how do we correct it? This is an grammatical mistake. So what should we can do? Just click on this word and again you go to the spelling and grammar, because it already this tab is open. So you just click on it. Again this dialog box will come, and here you can see it is giving the suggestion that it should be no instead of not. So I feel it is correct, so I'll say change. So there is, it's giving me also the dialog box, spelling and grammar check complete, you are good to go. So this way I have checked my spelling and grammar of these two sentences. And now children, just revise. With the right click of your mouse button, you can correct your spelling with the shortcut key F7, or you can do the change from the review tab, proofing group, and spelling and grammar option. So this way you have made the correction. Now children, what is this thesaurus? So in the thesaurus, it's like a dictionary. Sometimes we need to change. Suppose this sentence is there and I want to put some uh, other word, like we want to use some more powerful word, so we use this option. So thesaurus help us to improve our vocabulary by providing a list of synonyms, word with similar meaning, and antonyms with words with opposite meaning for any word. So how can we get it? Just select the word. Suppose I select this word success, so just double click on the word. Now how can you we use this word? I can use some another word. Just simply I'll go to the review tab, click on the review tab, and then proofing group, and there is a option thesaurus. So just click on it. You will get the list of many words here: achievement, accomplishment, victory, triumph, feat, realization. So whichever is I feel it's good, so I'll just see, I'll choose this word achievement. So just simply there, if you will see this word which is highlighted here, there is a one small drop down button. You just click on it and say insert. So you see the word is success is changed into achievement. Same way, if we want to get some opposite meaning, hard work, there is no substitute for hard work, and I want to choose some opposite word for it. So I can use, just what you have to do, just select the word and just go to the option thesaurus, and then uh, because two words are together here, so let us see. Let me choose this word substitute. Okay, so I'll choose this word substitute, and then I'll go to this and check, click on the thesaurus, and then there is supernumerary, extra, exceed, additional, temporary, standby, whatever word is there. I want to choose the uh, antonyms for this. So I'll say alternate. So I'll click on this word and say uh, insert. So there is no alternate for hard work, and hard work is key to success. Let us try for hard also. So first you close this, then you click the word hard, choose the hard, and then go to thesaurus, and then the choose any this antonym for it, that is a soft. The opposite of hard is soft given here. So just click on the insert. The soft work is key to success. It's looking very funny, so we don't need this. So we will make it hard only. Okay, so hard work. So this way you can use these two options, spelling and grammar and thesaurus. So children, please practice and try to use all these options. Thank you so much.